Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how the invitation suite fits into the envelope and what the order is. So let's get started. The invitation will start we'll start with the envelope. The envelope liner or the envelope and the flap will always lead to the right. So you'll always open this up to the right. We'll then take the invitation, we'll put the next size down, the accommodations card, the rehearsal dinner card, or the reception card in next. Then we'll take the RSVP and the envelope, the RSVP envelope will stay right behind the RSVP card. And then we have all three cards in there now. And then we'll always keep this facing us, and it will slide right into the envelope this way. Just like this. If you're ordering Crane's invitations from me, they will come directly, they come with directions, but you can always watch this as well. So then this goes in facing upwards with the envelope to the right, and then that is it. That's how you place your suite in. Just let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm available to help. Thanks so much.